So step 1, you have to take out these screws, this, and this. So after taking it out, you lift the cover up. So step 2, this is our SSD. You are going to be losing the screw here, and then gently pull out the SSD. So this is it, and then this is the replacement. All right, so you are going to slide it back in and then screw it back. So once you are done with that, replace your back cover, then replace the screws, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.